Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 4th, and this is my full top-down analysis on the US dollar CAD. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I think this is a very clear Elliott wave pattern on the monthly time frame. I think it's so extremely clear that this is one, two, three waves down for a W. I think this is one, two, three waves up for an X. And then I see impulsive down A. I see one, two, three waves up B. I think we're now in five waves down for the wave C of wave Y. Very clear Elliott wave pattern in my eyes. Definitely very clear. So that puts my target, my long-term target on the US dollar CAD, at least minimum down to the 1.2 area, or maybe even more likely like the 1.16 area. So very bearish on the higher time frames. Going down to the weekly, no Fibonacci bounce, no engulfing up, no break of structure up, no higher low, no reason whatsoever to think that this thing potentially could not just continue down. I think this is a wave one, wave two, and we're in a wave three. Most wave threes do end around the previous structure. The previous structure on this one is way down here. So I think it makes sense for this to make a one, two, three, four, five down for the wave one of the five wave down of wave C of wave Y on the weekly time frame. The wave C should be a five wave pattern, and we're only in the five waves of wave one right now. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the daily, even on the daily time frame, no break of structure, no higher low, no anything at all telling me to start looking for longs at all. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, very sideways market. And for me, if it goes up and breaks this blue line right here, that's the break of structure on the 4 hour. That is what would turn me into a buyer. But even if it does break structure, I'd be extremely confident that it's nothing more than a pullback within a very large weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So I personally am recommending nothing but shorts in a downtrend. I know the US dollar CAD has definitely been pretty sideways lately, but there's definitely been some money to be made looking for shorts every single chance you get. And I definitely would still be doing nothing but looking for shorts unless we get that significant break of structure on the 4 hour time frame. So as of right now, I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would be looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'd be looking for engulfing breaks of structure to the downside at Fibonacci levels to continue to look for shorts. All the higher time frames are not giving you any reason whatsoever to think that any of these moves to the upside are nothing more than just little pullbacks within a very large downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.